Hey YouTube, what is up? Back with another episode. Thought I'd just do another unboxing. Got my package from my friends over at spraygunner.com. Get a lot of my paints and supplies from there. Thought I'd just do an unboxing and show you some of the products that I use. So let's get after it. Oh, popcorn. We don't like popcorn. Let's get these out of here. Been waiting to get some of these. Ooh, they're a lot bigger than I thought too. Got me some new Spray Gunner stickers for the studio, the booth, and one just to have, to keep. Give me a second here, get the garbage situated. Let's just dump this out quick. See all the goodies that I got. You know what? This is going to be a big mess. We'll just deal with that later. So, first off, got some custom creative masking tape. This is, they call it yellow rice tape. It's super thin, easy to cut. Then I got me some super fine line tape. I think this is 16th inch, maybe. Got me some Maribusa. I think I only ordered one, but my friends over at Spray Gunner tend to hook me up, so maybe they included a freebie. And I got me some auto air colors, metallic gold, cosmic sparkle gold, and metallic coarse white. And I got some hot rod sparkle white. Got some more of my favorite color, the iridescent purple. And we got some hot rod sparkle, looks like spectrum. Yeah. I got some more quicksilver chrome. I'm about out of what I have left. Let's dump some more of this crap out of here. And I was missing some candy colors out of this set, so I ordered all the ones I was missing. Ultraviolet, Brandywine, can't see the labels, Marine Blue, and what was the other one? Red Oxide. And then this color I'm looking forward to trying. Can't really tell. Oh, there we go. It is Wicked Fastback Green. It's like a blue-green shift. Right there it looks just blue, but flip that bottle around, you can see all that green pearl or gold pearl or whatever is mixed with it, but looks like a cool color sprayed out, so wanted to try that out. I haven't tried this yet, but this is gold plating. It's basically the gold to quicksilver chrome. And I love the way the quicksilver chrome works too. It sprays beautifully. And I got some projects coming up that I'm gonna be needing some sealer. I just ordered the primary set because I'll just mix any other colors out of this that I need. Createx does have a nice color chart for the auto-borne sealer that has a lot of different colors and the mix ratios to get those. And then here I got the Pearlize set of auto airs. It actually comes, we don't have a Pearlize yellow, so it comes with the iridescent yellow. And I think I'm going to need that blue on an upcoming project. I might have to order some more paint to match a color that I have coming up. And last but not least, my favorite product so far is the UVLS Clear. And it's weird that it came in this little bottle. Came in like a jar. But yeah, I already realized I probably didn't order enough of this. I've already went through like 40 ounces of this stuff. I found a lot of great uses for it, and hopefully make some more videos upcoming here in the future about different ways to use this amazing new product. But yeah, that's my basically Createx unboxing today. All my products here. And looking forward to getting to use these. Yeah, there's today's take. I'll probably do some more unboxing. I have a lot more products coming this week too, for a lot of the commissions that I have. So I've been really overwhelmed and really blessed lately, and really can't thank my customers enough. And you too. Thank you too for tuning in for another episode with Brush Strokes. And until next time, keep those brushes stroking.